Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the recipe of besan cheela. I usually make it at breakfast because it's very easy and takes very little time to make. So for this I'm taking a large onion. I'll just remove the root from the center. I'll chop the onion in small cubes. Half medium sized tomato. Red chilli. Ground flour and water. Whisk the batter until there is no lump. Coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, add the veggies, a little bit of shredded cabbage, add butter in a non-stick pan. You can use ghee or oil instead. Add the batter and spread it. After 6 minutes of cooking in medium to low flame, I'll just flip the cheela upside down. As you can see, a nice golden brown color has appeared. My easy besan ka cheela is ready to munch. It's very easy. I'll just have it with ketchup. You can have it with any chutney you have at home. If you guys like this recipe, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching.